In this video, we will present the self-learning resources of the software, like where to find the user guide, how to find useful tutorials, etc. By default, when the application begins, you always see the Welcome tab. This tab provides easy access to resources and lets you to quickly complete common tasks. For the purposes of this video, we will show you where to find the user guide and the tutorials. If you're not particularly familiar with the use of the software, you can refer to the user guide. More information on that later. Additionally, you can watch useful tutorials about the usage of the software. Click on this icon to expand it and view all the available tutorials. The tutorials are listed in categories. Scroll down to view all of them. You may also search for a specific term mentioned in a video. Now, for any design you create or load, you start with the design area in the middle and the tools bar on the left. An easy way to find information about the visible tools is through the tooltips. Let the mouse cursor hover over a tool on the toolbar and it opens a tooltip. This tooltip provides information about the specific tool. Practically, you can see a brief description of said tool. The main resource of information, though, is the Help menu. You may open the user guide and expand the section you need. The user guide is floating on top of the application window. You can move it anywhere you like, next to the application window or even on a second monitor. You may also move it to the left or to the right of the design and dock it next to the design area. Change the size to match your reading habits and the available screen size. While reading a topic, you can temporarily hide the table of contents to increase the available space. You may navigate to the previous or next topic using the left and right arrows, or move to the start topic of the section using the top icon. You may also search through the index for a specific subject, or use the text search. If the Help dialog is not visible, you may press the F1 key at any point to bring it up. Another way to get quick help about a tool is to use the Show Help On option. Start the Show Help On tool and click on any tool. The user guide is loaded, showing the specific section that describes the tool you'd clicked upon. For example, if you click on the Stitch Flow tool, you can readily get information about stitch flow. Last but not least, there is the printable version of the user guide for those who may want to have the guide in paper. Using the print option, you may print any portion of the user guide you need, or even all of it. Finally, we should mention that the About option contains useful information about the software per se. There you can see the serial number of your copy of the software and the number of the installed version of the software. This information comes handy when you need to contact the official technical support.